Hey friends, I got a sawmill video for you, but first we got to take care of a little issue.
This is a bad deal right here because this hangs next to my pulley and there's no guard. I'm going to make a guard out of nails.
No doubt about right now, you're wondering what the guy's doing. Well, I am going to build a guard out of nails. I mean, pole barn nails. And then after that, we'll do a little cutting on the mill. I've got some pine that needs to be cut up. And then at the end of the video, I will spend a few seconds complaining about cutting pine and why it gives me fits. And if you want to go all the way to the end and listen to that and make a comment about why I'm having problems with pine, then please do that because that'll help me out. Anyway, enjoy the video.
All right, I don't know if you can see this thing. It might get prettier after I paint it. It's not real easy to see, but the shadows when I move the light behind it are kind of a little bit on the snaky side. I'm finished welding on this thing, good enough. I'm going to take it into the sandblasting cabinet. We'll do that. You can't see it, it's a secret. That thing, I wish wouldn't make so much noise when I'm talking. All right, see you in a second. Repairs are done and guard is in place, obviously. So hopefully this is not going to hit into my pulley right here anymore. It's going to have to try really hard, put it that way. And we have a log on the mill over here that's partially cut now. So let me see if I can finish cutting that guy. Well, somewhere in the first cut, my battery ran out. So I don't know if you got anything out of that cut. If you did, I just showed it. If you didn't, that's why I'm here moving this.
That's called running out of gas. Okay, lucky for you, you don't know this, but this is like take number 454 to end this crazy video. And what I've been trying to explain and haven't been doing a very good job up until now is the fact that cutting pine basically stinks. And so I'm just going to be very succinct about that and tell you that every time I've cut pine on the sawmill, I've had trouble. This log was no exception. It doesn't matter that my sawmill is now got some pretty nice wheels on it, and I've done all this work to try and get it tuned up pretty nice. Yeah, I think the blade guides and the wheels and everything are nice and level. The tension is high, you name it. But I'm still getting the result of the dips and dives through pine. So I am really curious in the comments. Maybe you can tell me that I'm blowing smoke here and pine is just easy to cut. Nobody has a problem. And, it's all the other woods that are hard to cut. That hard white oak, that's really hard. Well, that's not the way that I am experiencing it, at least not when I was wearing my other jacket before I finished this video. So, anyway, that's my that's my take on cutting pine, and we'll leave it at that. We'll see you around in the next video. Have a good one.